Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Safety's on, you got jack him in the drill. This little lever down here.
Yeah, you got jack him in.
I know why you wipe it off, don't you?
You ready?
Yeah.
Take it off.
5 of them in there.
Well, I see them like that.
He moved like a whole 2 feet.
See, I was trying to pump them, dude.
Yeah, and then they magnum.
I thought we was getting out the 10 gauge. I wanted to bring out the elephant gun.
I think this kicks worse than the 10.
I don't give a fuck.
I ain't got 10.
I've only shot 110, and the only time I did, it flipped me over a tree like this. Dad was like, put your back against it. I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, put your back against it. Pull it close to you. I pulled it close to him. As soon as I pulled the trigger, I was like, boom. Everybody on the back of the truck laughing.
No, you ain't shot that yet?
Yeah.
Where you going, TJ?
We need some more cups.
Keep it down, I'm gonna go sit here.
What you walking backwards for?